Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing about how to export Figma prototype to a video. So before we dive into the video, there's a link in the description that could be used to donate to our channel. So yeah, the first thing is you're going to be creating a GIF or MP4 videos from Figma prototypes, and you're going to be sharing videos with developers, clients, or team. Then you can save with live animation preview. No more waiting for the prototype to wait, and then play around with different ideas quickly. So this is basically that you can do. And for the pro subscription, you can also get high quality exports up to 4K. So this is for this, and you can use this as you can see, the plugin tab which is available in here. So make sure that you're logged into your account to access it. Head over to this official site, and there are a couple of features, like for example one click after delay and all this stuff. Make sure to try it out for yourself as well. If you are still confused, you can join their Discord community as well, and you will get your help eventually. So yeah, this is how you can get a video conversion, and I hope this helps. Make sure to let us know in the comments below if it did, and also do not forget to head over to the link in the description to simply donate. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.